METADICHOL has the effect of anti-aging and prolong life. That's because it inhibits a gene called BCAT1 and a substance called sialidase that contributes to aging. In addition, telomerase plays an important role in human aging, functional activity of stem cells, and prolonging life. Telomerase is an enzyme responsible for lengthening telomeres in human cells. In addition, it prevents telomeres shorten with each cell division, increases the number of cell divisions, and at the same time it repairs damaged DNA. Our cells can divide about 40 to 60 times before apoptosis. METADICHOL increases the activity of telomerase up to 16 times, increases the number of cell division, prolonging the life of cells, maintains cell density, cell mass, and quality to achieve the effect of prolonging life. METADICHOL is able to help promoting the proliferation of pluripotent stem cells, regenerates and repairs cells, repairs organs function, anti-aging, and prevent degenerative diseases. At the same time, METADICHOL increases the function of Klotho gene by 4 to 10 times, enhances the anti-aging and anti-cancer effects, help inhibit breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, arteriosclerosis, diabetes, and degenerative diseases. In addition, METADICHOL helps the body achieve anti-aging, promotes metabolism, improves energy level, and prevents degenerative diseases by promoting the synthesis of NMN. Moreover, METADICHOL helps to protect and maintain the length of telomeres by increasing the level of vitamin C and achieve antioxidation, anti-inflammation, and prevent of chronic diseases and infectious diseases. METADICHOL achieves the effect of beauty skin and hair through different mechanisms. Simultaneously, METADICHOL increases the level of vitamin C in the body by more than 3 times. Vitamin C has high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which effectively moisturizes the skin and nourishes the hair. It can preserve collagen and inhibit melanin to achieve whitening, anti-inflammatory, and anti-wrinkle effects. In addition, METADICHOL helps to prolong the life cycle of skin cells by increasing the activity of telomerase up to 16 times. It can also increases pluripotent stem cells to promote skin cell regeneration, repair cells, reduce wrinkles, and firm skin. METADICHOL also increases metallothionein, prevents skin from oxidation, aging, or canceration, and at the same time prevents skin from being damaged by heavy metals and UV rays, and also slows down the excessive growth of the outer layer of skin. METADICHOL also regulates cathelicidins and defensins to achieve anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects, promotes wound healing, and prevents skin inflammation. Besides that, METADICHOL can bind to the androgen receptors, helps regulate androgen levels, protects the hair root, improves hair quality and regeneration of the hair root. By binding to vitamin D receptors, METADICHOL can regulate the immune system, prevents infection of the scalp or hair roots, prevents hair loss, and promotes hair regrowth. Finally, as for the direction of usage for healthcare, take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily, for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 5 sprays, at least twice daily. In addition, people with underlying health problems can take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 10 sprays, at least 5 times daily. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.